What's up guys, Carolyn Castillo with eXp Realty and Team Absolute Top Dollar. Today we're at a beautiful townhouse in Jacksonville. Let's go take a look. Hi guys, welcome. Come on into this beautiful property. So I'm so excited to have you in. This is a townhouse that's located in the north side of Jacksonville. It's going to be listed for only $200,000, okay? So it's an extremely good price. This unit was built in 2008, okay? And as you can see, you've got a first floor, very nice open floor plan. One of the things that you'll probably notice that needs a little updating is this beautiful green carpet. But believe it or not, it's not in bad shape. So if you like green, this is the house for you, okay? So this was actually just recently, in 2008, this unit was built, and it has Korean countertops, real wood cabinets, and these are the type of cabinets that you can actually paint them, like a white, put on some nice fixtures. This kitchen would be perfect. It's got the stainless steel appliances, so you've got microwave, stove, dishwasher, refrigerator, nice island here, open area. I really, really like it. Of course, you've got your open concept with the dining room. And something special about this unit is that it actually has a screened-in patio. So you'll notice when you come out to see this one, I hope you do, all the units don't have any screened-in areas. There's actually no overhang. So I'm a big one on outdoor living space, so just having this beautiful place you can come out after work and relax, really, really nice. Now, one of the great things about this community is that they do have an HOA, but the HOA has no rental restrictions. So you actually, when you purchase the property here, you don't have to do any kind of like application process or anything like that. You just have to let them know that you purchased the unit. Now, right here, you are gonna have a complete half bath downstairs for your guests. And then this door right here is gonna lead you to the one-car garage with an automatic door opener, okay? So let's go ahead and walk up the stairs. So now we're upstairs. You're gonna have a split floor plan up here. So the first bedroom is the master bedroom. What I love about it is it has the vaulted ceilings and it has two windows in very good condition. Remember, this was built in 2008, so it's in fairly, upgraded condition. You are gonna have a full ensuite bathroom. So you'll have a shower, very good condition. You've still got the vaulted ceilings in here, Korean countertops, wood cabinets, so these can very easily be restored. It's perfect just like this. And you've got a walk-in closet. So this is really nice. This is a good, very, very good for a master, okay? So now let's go to the other side. AC unit is the original with the unit, so it is a little bit on the older side, but it's running, it's good. This is the bathroom for the second bedroom. It does have the plastic moldings. It has the bathtub, same countertops, very good condition. The only thing this place is missing is the carpet, okay? So if you were to just paint it real nice, this is the second bedroom. So you'll see here, I think the guy had something for the green because if you see, he has also green curtains, okay? But it really just needs a nice paint, new flooring. Unless you like the green, we'll throw in the curtains for you, okay? And who doesn't love an amazing laundry room on the second floor, right? So it's a very spacious washer and dryer. You've got a nice natural light in here, which is good. And this unit right now is actually available to be rented. So if you wanted to purchase this as an investment, you could actually buy this unit just the way that it is. The two bedrooms are renting for about $1,300, $1,400. And you could turn this right into a rental unit. Rentals are available the first time you buy it, okay? So if you're a VA, I also want to say this because the person that owned this was a veteran. So if you're a veteran and you want to buy this place, we can actually get the rate that the person has that owns this, and you can assume that rate. And it's like a 3.25. So that's a huge help. Here, the HOA actually covers the roof, so you don't have to worry about roof repairs. And I believe the HOA is about $243 a month, okay? So guys, I hope you love this unit. It's only gonna be listed for $200,000. This is a must-see. Get in contact with me and let's make a deal.